Forget the North Pole this Christmas, we are heading south, way south. Dive into the ultimate taste of summer Christmas with the South Pole Christmas cocktail, where tropical vibes meet festive cheer. Picture this, a gingerbread spiced drink complete with Rudolph's cherry nose, sipped under the midnight sun with just a hint of Antarctic cool to keep you refreshed. Are you ready to bring the heat and chill to your festive season?
I'm not exactly close to the Antarctic, but I do live in the southern hemisphere, which means we do have a summer Christmas. So tonight's drink is very appropriate, and also if you're in a winter climate for Christmas, then this is quite a nice drink to remind you of summer if you're missing it or feeling a bit too chilly. So to make a South Pole Christmas cocktail, what do we need? We need spiced rum, vanilla vodka, Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur, gingerbread syrup, and pineapple juice. It's very easy, so let's get started. First, let's fill this shaker with ice. And we are going to need 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of spiced rum. I'm using Captain Morgan's because I just love it. Now, we need 15 mils or 1/2 ounce of vanilla vodka. Oh, almost got a double measure in there. And time for raspberry liqueur. You can use a different raspberry liqueur if you prefer, but I just love Chambord. And we need 15 mils or 1/2 ounce of Chambord. Wow, I can smell the raspberries. I think raspberries have to be my favourite fruit, although maybe mangoes are a little bit ahead. Okay, and next we need 15 mils or 1/2 ounce of gingerbread syrup. Smell the gingerbread now. All the lovely smells of Christmas just coming through. So this is a great combination of flavours. Okay, and we need 60 mils or 2 ounces of pineapple juice. It is time to shake. Very cold. Okay, I've got a little pre-chilled coupe glass, which I think is perfect for this drink. You could serve it also over ice in a old-fashioned glass. Look at this, it's a nice gingerbread colour, and I've just got a cherry, and I'm just going to kind of maybe even hang on the side there like that. So here we have a South Pole Christmas cocktail. And I just love the colour, it's just looks like a glass of gingerbread. Let's have a taste. That is really nice. That is really, really good combination of flavours. I can't really taste the vanilla. I can definitely taste the spiced rum, the raspberry from the Chambord, and of course the gingerbread from the gingerbread syrup, but it's really combines very well. It's almost like a chugger, to be honest, because it's so delicious and refreshing. That is very nice. Merry Christmas everyone, and I hope you are really enjoying the festive season and get to try as many Christmas cocktails as you can, and I will see you next week for another cocktail.